Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about sign convention and number of equilibrium conditions which we are going to use to solve the example. So suppose I am taking a simply supported beam. The load is there. I am taking as a UDL. What will happen? The load will allow this beam to bend like this, and some load would be acting at the top, and due to gravity it will going to deflect this beam downward only. So what will happen? This beam is deflecting like this. Okay, so the force are like this only. The moment will be like this. Taking an example with the help of this pen only. If the load is acting over here, what will happen? It will going to bend like this only. Okay, so if I want to bend like in this form only, what I have to do? I have to apply this thumb in this way and this thumb in this way in order to bend like this. So what I am doing, I am applying a force from the right hand side in the form of anti-clockwise, and from the left hand side I am providing it in a clockwise direction. The beam is deflecting like this. Okay, so this sign convention I will going to take as positive sign, because so this is just a smiley which we all required in our life. Smile. Okay, so that is a positive thing for us also. So this is the best way to remember this kind of sign convention, that whenever we are smiling, that is positive for our nature. So in order to make that smile, what we are doing, we are applying from the right hand side anti-clockwise, from the left hand side clockwise moment. Okay, so that is positive in nature. Now I am taking vice versa of this thing. Suppose the beam is deflecting in this way, which is opposite to the nature. So what will happen? Some force, the moment from the left hand side it is acting anti-clockwise, from the right hand side it is acting clockwise, that is negative sign. This positive sagging, and this we are noting it as hogging sign convention. So feeling sad, that is a negative sign for a person also. And how this sad moment would going to be created? If a force is applied from the right hand side clockwise and from the left hand side anti-clockwise, that is a negative sign convention which we are going to use while taking the moment. Okay, so what is the positive sign convention? That is sagging. Just create a smiley, and that is created by applying the anti-clockwise moment from the right hand side and clockwise moment from the left hand side. Okay, and hogging is created when when the moment is applied from the right hand side clockwise direction and from the left hand side anti-clockwise direction. Okay, that is the negative sign which we are going to use over any type of to solve any kind of example of a structure. In the same way, this sign convention was for the moment. If we are considering for the load, so if I am coming from the left hand side upward, and if I am coming from the right hand side, and if I am moving in the downward, that I will going to take as positive. Vice versa of this, if I am coming upward from the right hand side and downward from the left hand side, that sign convention which we are going to use as negative. So how to use this kind of sign convention, that I will show you at the time of solving the example. So you just have to remember only this thing, only the sagging is a positive moment, and right hand side it is anti-clockwise, and from left hand side it is clockwise, and hogging is a negative moment, means feeling like our sad smiley, and which is created by applying the clockwise moment from the right hand side and anti-clockwise moment from the left hand side. And if I am talking about the load, for this kind of sign convention is useful at the time of shear force diagram. So positive would be that if from the left hand side if I am coming upward, or vice versa from the right hand side if I am coming downward, that sign I will take as positive. And if I am coming from right hand side upward and from left hand side downward, that I am going to take as my negative sign convention. Okay, so this sign convention is very helpful for any kind of example you are solving for any kind of structure example. Now next one is equilibrium condition. So we have only three axes, x, y and z axis. So our x axis we are taking it as horizontal load, y we are considering as vertical load, and z axis we are taking it as moment or a rotational force. So there are only three axes, so we have only three equilibrium condition. Summation of horizontal is equal to 0, like your x-axis, means the total load coming from right to left is equal to total load coming from left to right. This is our first equilibrium condition, means the load which are coming from right to left, that should be equal to load which are coming from left to right. Second equilibrium condition is summation of vertical force is equal to 0, means whatever the load coming from down to top, that is equal to the load coming from top to down. So upward load is equal to downward load. So that is the equilibrium conditions. Now third one is summation of all the moment, your rotational force should be 0, means the force which are coming in a clockwise direction, that should be equal to the force which are coming from anti-clockwise direction. So these are the three conditions which is required to solve any kind of example of your structure. So there are only three equilibrium condition: summation of h is equal to 0, summation of v is equal to 0, summation of m is equal to 0. Okay, so hope you get some knowledge about the sign convention, that what are the sign convention we should take and what are the equilibrium condition which we should use to solve any kind of example of a structure. So feeling any doubt, you can contact me. I will give you my email ID at the end of this video. So you can mail me any kind of problem you are facing and I will get back to you. Okay, thank you.